Wow, it's been a long time. If you'd like to see how I'm restarting, getting back on track, be sure to watch this video. Hi, my name is Patty. Thanks for clicking on my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. It has been a long time. Enough is enough. I am getting back on track on the Weight Watcher program. I never quit it. I just never have not been committed to it since the beginning of January. I was in Florida working, went on 2 cruises, came back to Ohio for a little bit, went back to Florida to work. Then I came back, went to Michigan, and now here it is, mid-May. I have lost control of my weight loss. I am not even weighing it. I just have to recapture my motivation and the things I did to be so successful on my 128-pound weight loss journey, which I don't know what I gained back, but I did have gained quite a bit back, and I just need for myself to get restarted. So today is the day that I am going back on track, drinking water, getting steps. I have a healthy food haul first for some ideas for some food that I'm going to make for the next week. Okay, I'm starting off with a little Walmart haul to get me started on the right track. First of all, I'm going to do some breakfast items. I bought eggs. They are 0 points, of course. Some turkey breakfast sausage patties. These are 1 point for 1 patty. I got some Black Label fully cooked original bacon. These are 2 points for 2 slices, and you just microwave them. I got a bag of shredded frozen hash browns. These are 2 points for 1 cup, and they're really good to make a bowl out of. You can use some shredded hash browns, some of the breakfast meat, some eggs, and you make a breakfast bowl. So those are really good. Bought a couple cucumbers. I am going to make a cucumber salad. I got cucumbers for that, a tomato, a red onion, and then you mix it up with a little bit of oil, vinegar, and sugar. So I'm going to make that this week. I have a watermelon, 0 points, good for snacking. Then I'm going to make a salad, a burger salad. I got some lettuce, and I purchased this extra lean ground beef, which is the ground beef I like to use for any recipes that have ground beef in it. They are low in points. It's 3 points for 4 ounces pre-cooked. So that is what I'm going to use. And also for topping the salad, I got some fat-free cheddar cheese, which is 1 point for a 1/4 cup or 3 tablespoons. I got some of these multi-seed Crunchmaster crackers. These are 4 points for 14 crackers. So a little snack food, which I have some turkey pepperoni I can eat with. I also bought some of this everything hummus. This is 2 points for 2 tablespoons. I've never tried this before. Then also for breakfast, if I feel like jelly, I got some sugar-free blackberry mule. It is 1 point for 3 tablespoons or 0 points for 2 tablespoons. I have 1 avocado, so I can make some avocado toast if I'm feeling like that. It's a good source of protein and some healthy fat. I use it with some everything but the bagel seasoning. Some bananas, 3 Honey Crisp apples. My favorite bread I like to use is this Sara Lee Delightful 45 calorie bread. It is 1 point per slice, and I use it for anything I need bread for. Sandwiches, just eating toast with breakfast. A package of broccoli florets, some frozen mixed vegetables to go with what I'm making for dinner tonight. which I had bought some chicken and I put it in the slow cooker with some ranch dressing, powdered ranch dressing, and some 98% fat-free chicken soup. And I'm going to, it's cream of chicken soup, and I just cooking that in the slow cooker. I'm going to have it with some vegetables and make some mashed potatoes. So that's going to be tonight's dinner. I bought some of these Quest frosted cookies. I bought them before. Somebody opened them already. They are birthday cake cookies. They are 3 points for one cookie. And these Quest protein bars are probably the best ones I ever had. These are crispy chocolate caramel pecan. They are 6 points per bar. And if you want a healthy protein bar that tastes like a candy bar, I should say, this is one to try. It is really good. I like the Quest crispy bars better than any other of them. And then I thought I'd try this sugar-free secret burger sauce from G. Hughes. I didn't think it would be points, but it is 3 points for 2 tablespoons. So I was going to put that on my burger salad. Got some pickles also for the salad. Snackums, these are 0 points per pickle. I also got a box of this unsalted beef broth for a recipe I am making with rice and ground beef. So that is my final item. So that is my healthy haul to get started. Make sure I get back on track and make sure I track all these items. So I hope you get some ideas, and we'll see how it goes this week. Next week, I am driving to Vegas from Ohio to work there at the World Series of Poker till the middle of July. But I just want to get this week started on track to get me going, and hopefully it'll carry me through, and so I can stay in control while I'm in Vegas. I know it's common for a lot of people to lose the weight and gain it back a little bit, gain back a lot of it, gain back all of it, gain back more plus. And I've done it before and re-lost it, but I really want to take control of what I'm eating, get back into my healthy habits. I try to look back at what is the problem, and I would say it is, number one is not tracking what I'm eating and just eating whatever I want. Number two is I'm not drinking water, and number three is I'm not making that extra effort to get steps in. So those three things have always been my combination, and I kind of just fell off of the map and haven't been doing those things. Like I said, I went on a cruise. I know I did do a video of my first cruise and a video afterwards, but this time I did not put anything on my second cruise, which was a 10-day cruise to the Panama Canal. So I will add a little bit here to give you some insight onto what I did over the winter, and hopefully I did not stay on track on that one, but it's so hard for me to be I want to say to be have that food available to me. I am a foodie, I think. I like to eat, and I have problems with portion control, and I know if I'm tracking it, I can eat what I want, but just do the portion. So that's what I have to do. But here's a little video of my cruise in March. As you can see, I am on the balcony of my cruise to the Panama Canal on the Eurodam, a Holland American cruise. Walking on the promenade deck, it goes all the way around the ship. Here we are about to enter the Panama Canal. All the ships are waiting. I guess I gamble a lot.
Welcome to board. Come on, don't worry. Be happy. Welcome to board. Have a good day today. Yeah, man. A pretty day today. Morning. Good day today. We appreciate your visit.
Having a banana in Costa Rica.
The main kind especially kind of meat and it's very tastes very good.
This is funny, a scale on a cruise. The saddest sight of all the suitcases lined up on the last night. It is now May. Every time I do something, I always find an excuse to not go right back on track. I came back from the cruise, drove back to Ohio. It was St. Patrick's Day, so I'll wait till after St. Patrick's Day. Then 2 weeks later was Easter, and then, oh well, I have to drive back to Florida, and I like to have my snacks on Florida. Then I'm working at the Hard Rock, and there is a buffet of food every single day for 3 weeks. I started off with good intentions, but once again gave into the temptations. I really have to figure out how to keep going and stay motivated again to stay on track. But I just know having those temptations around is not helping me at all. I cannot subject myself to any temptations. So that is what I'm gonna try to do. It's very sad when I look back at my old videos and I see what I did and how successful I was, and then to have to do it mostly all over again. But I can't put it off because time, who knows how much time you have. And I just want to start eating healthy and losing some more weight so I could get back down. I mean, even now I don't feel like walking anymore. I just don't have the energy to get those steps in that I was doing, and it's just completely different than it was. But I hope you continue to watch my videos, because I do hope to stay on track, and hopefully we can conquer this weight problem that I have. But I want to start tracking my food, sharing what I eat in a day, making some recipes. And I am renting a house in Las Vegas, so I do have the opportunity to not eat out. So that's why I'm going to continue this while I'm in Vegas. So I hope you stay tuned to my videos and my what I eat in the days, and let's get this done. Here's my dinner tonight. I have 5 points worth of mashed potatoes and 1 point for the chicken and gravy and 0 points for the vegetables. So this meal is 6 points for tonight. I made the chicken in the slow cooker with some 98% fat-free chicken soup and some ranch dressing. So I thought I'd come outside, get some steps in for the night. I am planning on eating more fruit and vegetables, getting my steps, drinking my water, and eating portion-controlled tracked food. Please comment below if any of you are going through struggles trying to get back on or stay on. And hopefully we can get this going and succeed this time. And I'm starting again, and it's not even Monday, it's a Tuesday. Which is funny because usually I always restart on Mondays or the first of the month. Not this time, it's today. And I'm using my healthy food. Hope you enjoyed my Walmart grocery haul and my vacation videos. And thanks so much again for watching and your support. So I hope you liked this video. It was kind of a mishmash of different things I am going to do and did over the last couple months. So I hope you like this video, and I hope you follow me along as I continue on my journey. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!